Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials, where we show you the simple how-to for your everyday tech and more. In today's video, we are going to see how to delete all of your YouTube watch history on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. First thing is to open your YouTube app. After opening your YouTube app, you will be able to see your profile icon on the bottom right corner right here. Tap on it. And then you will be able to see your history. Simply just tap on this View All button that you can see right here. After tapping on it, here you can see your history is all over in here. In order to delete it, what you're going to do is tap on the three dot bar that you can see on the top right corner right here. After tapping on it, this option will show. Here you can see there is the option of clear all watch history. Simply just tap on this option in order to clear all of your watch history. And in order to confirm it, tap on clear watch history one more time. And just like this, now your history has all been removed. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.